In this lecture, we'll work on APIs. So we'll learn how we can use RESTful APIs in our project and how we can manipulate APIs and fetch the data that we want. Okay, so first things first, what is an API? If we have to fetch the data from the server, then we'll have to send the request, and that request is a form of API. So in this lecture, we'll send a request API on the server, and then we'll try to fetch the data from that server. So for that, the RESTful API we are using is a Pokemon API. So this API provides us the details of all Pokemon and tells us like which Pokemon is present on what number. Alright, so we'll try to integrate the API of this website. So now we'll go to our VS Code and we'll make a component with the name of Pokemon.js. Okay, so now we'll import React on it, which is our normal boilerplate. So we'll make a function and we'll name it Pokemon. So our function has been created. Now we'll give a heading h1 Pokemon. Okay, we'll import it on our function. We'll export it there, export default Pokemon, and then we'll call the function. So now our component has been rendered. Okay, we'll check it. Yes, it's working. So basically we want to select option that whatever number we select, then on that number, whichever Pokemon is present on it, it should be fetched for us. So we're making a select option. The first option value will be 1. We'll copy it and we'll paste 5 times, and we'll give them the numbering of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. So our select option has been created. Now we'll put its value num. We'll give a function and we'll define it. So we'll import useState from React. OnChange is a parameter which we'll name it event. Okay, we'll copy this value, we'll paste it, we'll write event.target.value. Now whatever value will be selected by the user, then that value will be changed automatically. So basically when the onChange function will run, then this setNum will be updated and its value will be changed. Okay, so now I'll write here h1 you choose num value. So here no value has been defined for useState, so we'll have to define it so that we get the initial value. Okay, we'll check on the browser without giving any value, and as you can see, whatever value we are selecting, we are getting the value. Okay, you can select how we can update the value with the help of useState. So this is all happening dynamically. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this lecture. And now on to the next one, in which we'll learn how to fetch the data.